Dorcas ni athingatithĩtie na akoria aciari aria makoragwo na ciana cigumiirwo ni unyui wa njohi oro hamwe na dawa cia kurebia nigetha makorwo makihimbiria wendo na itemi-ini ria kumateithiriria gucokereria hari mitugo yao oro hamwe na guthana na kihonia kigimainie na unyui wa njohi ici oro hamwe na uhuthiri wa dawa ici cia kurebia aritiari kaunti-ini ya Kiambu na kuria athiete na mbere na kwariria aciari na kurega uhoro wa wendia wa njohi ici cia ibango oro hamwe na dawa cia kurebia.
And I love you, and I'll continue to love you until you get out of that jail of drinking and just destroying yourself. We are going to try as much as we can to validate your dreams. Do you want to get out? And I know God will bring you out. Mujui silalangi naomba na najua Mungu huwa anajibu maombi. Muende kanisa mutanikuta huko. Muende hizo chochoro nitakuja huko.
Help the president transform this county and transform the entire republic. He promised us when he was looking for this particular leadership. So feel welcome, Your Excellency, the Second Lady. Come as many times as possible. We'll continue partnering with you, and we thank you for the demonstrated interest you have shown in the boy child, in the program that have already decided to partner with us.
Na nĩ ngatho nĩ arĩa kwaranĩria hamwe wa mĩaraho Pastor Dorcas akiuga mohoro meigĩrĩrĩku mega makindĩrĩria